Hey guys, hope you're doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw Block Dasher. Hope you can join in and have some fun. Let's start Block Dasher with his head. And it's a slight little rectangle, a rounded rectangle like so. Start it near the top of your page. Now he's got a ball shape on the top of his head. It reminds me of a Pokemon ball. So a circle with a line and then a circle like that. Pretty much is like a Pokemon ball. So that's how I would draw that. Then he's got his face, which is another rectangle, but more of a landscape, wider rectangle. And we've got one eye. Colour that in. Now or later, it's up to you. And another eye. Very similar to Stumblebot, I think it is. Okay, now we're going to draw his body. So we're going to draw basically a little line coming down like this and angles back in, and then a straight line, a line coming across. Now he's got his hand in the way of that, so I'm just going to bring this down here. And then we're going to draw his hand. Now his hand is like a little box shape. This is a bit tricky. So it goes across, comes down. We're drawing the front edge of his hand like that. And he's got a spike coming up like that on it. Now his arm actually comes from here and just comes down like that. Now this is the side of his hand. It angles back with a cone shape coming straight out, comes down to match that one, and then we have to draw a parallel line to that. So there, now he has a spike pointing straight down on the underside of his hand, and then this comes across here like this. Then we have to match that angle with this angle there. Now he's got his pants. Now that's one leg coming up into there, and then his other leg's on an angle, coming down and around like that. Now he's got this little green part around here, same as on here before he hits his shoe. So now his boot comes down and around, looking straight at it like this. And then this is the side of his little shoe. Just put a little sole of his shoe on there. He's got all these stripes and stuff on which we can draw later, and same with some shadow through the blocks. Now we've got his other arm, so it comes down, and then his block comes in like this. So you see one spike coming out like that. This comes straight down, across, and it sort of hits there and comes up. Then it's got another little spike there that you see, and another little spike down there that you see.